A few weeks ago, I got my very first Keychron keyboard, the Keychron K4 HE. Apart from the fact that it is stunning, this is the best mechanical keyboard I've had so far. It is hot-swappable, 96% keyboard with a numpad, and it comes with some extra keycaps and accessories as well. Now for the switches. It comes with magnetic nebula linear switches, and I must say, this makes for a whole new typing experience. It doesn't have a toggle to adjust the volume, which I kind of got used to from my other keyboard, and the numpad feels unnecessary if you don't type in numbers too often. But if you are looking for a high quality and sleek keyboard with a numpad, I can't think of anything better. Now I'll leave you with some typing.